Hey guys, the Coleman18 here, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. Although I don't have a model with me, I'm just going to show you step by step. Well, let's get into it. First, of course, you need to start out with one sheet of square paper, and then you flip it over. Make sure it's in the diamond form, and you first fold it straight in half. Mine's going to be blue and white. Then you make a crease, good crease. Fold it. Make sure it's good. You're going to need that there. It's going to help very much. You're going to fold it really good. It's okay if you see a little bit of the white part right here. It's okay. And then unfold. See how there's this little line here? You're going to take this corner right here, this one little sharp point right there, and see there's a line right there? You fold it straight onto the line. Make sure it's good. Then do the same thing with the other side. The little sharp point right here to the line. Fold it this way. So you kind of have, like, if you have it looking like this way, kind of looks like a diamond. And then you unfold this. See, now there are 3 lines. Now you're going to fold this down to the line that you previously made. Got to make sure that it was good. You're going to need it. Going to fold that like that. Sure looks like that. And do the same thing with the opposites. Little point to the line you previously made. And you're going to fold and crease. And then we're not going to unfold. We're going to fold down on the line to where it looks like this, and it has this little cut off part that looks like it's cut off, but you don't need to cut it off, of course. Then you fold the other one down too, and then you're going to need to flip the paper over and fold this down as far as it can go to where it's just white or another color, double-sided. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Fold it down until it can't fold anymore. There, this. You're going to unfold both. It has those 2 lines, and of course the line right here. You're going to fold this down to the line right here. Fold, and then fold it down to it's solid, whatever the other color is, or white. You're going to fold this down to the previous line. Then you're going to fold it down. And then you are going to flip it over till it looks like this again, where it has the white bottom or another color bottom. And it has the color or solid white part right here. Then you're going to fold this down to the line right here that you already had, the first line you made. So you have these 2 little triangle things, kind of like creasing the edges. And then you do the same thing with the other side, same way. So it kind of has this look right here. Right here. So it looks kind of like a miniature small, super small picture frame. Then you're going to fold this all the way down so it kind of like points. And then you're going to fold the other one all the way down. I'm going to make it look like it's kind of pointing at you. And then you're going to flip it to the other way. Just flip it sideways until you get like this. And fold it again until it gets like this. Then, of course, you're going to fold this down to the line. Fold this down to the line. Then you're going to fold this again down to the line. So it has this kind of whatever the other color is right here, whatever the color is right here. Kind of makes it look different. And do the same thing on the other side this way. You're not going to do the other side yet because it's going to go the opposite way. Make sure they kind of overlap each other, just that little last point right there. And then you're going to do this side first now. Still make sure it has that little thing right there. Make sure it's all the way down, good crease. And then do the same thing with the other side. Fold it down to the line again. This one, I'm not sure why, but it has a little more overlapped. Until you kind of get this like smaller diamond thing. When you flip it over, you have this pocket kind of thing right here, but you're not going to keep it flipped over. You're going to fold this down to the line. This little corner right here down to the line that was the first line made. Then fold it down to the line right here. And then do the same thing on the other side. Down to the line. And you're going to have this smaller, even smaller diamond. And then you flip it over, make sure that's still there. Here's the tricky part. Gotta find that little thing down here. Kind of pops open. So you make it like this. Then you flip it over and flip it inside out. It's where you kind of flip it through the edges. Kind of like this. Then smooth all the lines out. If you made it out of aluminum foil, it might float. But it means to have this as the bottom side. This thing right here. These two lines. If you can do that, then you're going to have these two lines right here. And you're going to have those things inside of here. And that's what that thing on the back side was for. It makes the top of the canoe. And you have this. Flip it all the way over and you kind of have a boat. Kind of has those pockets. Well, please rate, comment, or subscribe. Bye.